So in the last class, we have seen about the time-based payment method of wage. Today we will be discussing about the piece rate system or output-based system. Okay, piece rate system or output-based system. What is the output-based system or piece rate system of wage? Okay, straight piece rate system. Under this system, payment will be based on output produced. Okay, so under this system, each operation, job or unit of production is termed as piece. Means here your wage will be related to the output. Means, for example, if the wage system is like this, 10 rupees per unit produced, means if a worker will produce 1 unit, he will get 10 rupees. Here, if you will see, it is not related to the time factor, it is related to the units. So it is a piece rate. Piece means output, units. Suppose in a particular day, a worker produces 100 units, for example. So how much he will get? So per unit, wage rate is 10 per unit. So if you will produce, if a worker will produce 1 unit, he will get 10 rupees. So if he is producing 100 units, he will get how much? 1000 rupees. So here in piece rate, wage is based on the output, but in time based, wage is related to the time period, that is per day, per week, okay, per hour, per month, etc. Okay, their output is not relevant, but here in piece rate system, output is relevant. So that's why it is. That's what is also called as output based system. Clear? So that's what is called output based system. So here units will be based on the output. See, what is the formula for piece rate system? Number of units produced into rate per unit. Just now we have seen, no? If a worker is producing 100 units and rate per unit is 10 per unit, he will get 1000 rupees. So this is a piece rate system. Piece means output. That is number of units produced per work by worker. Okay. So this is the piece rate system. So in piece rate system, we can say that wages is based on the performance or merit. Okay, because here if a worker is a very active and a good worker and is producing more output, his payment will be higher. Suppose compare two workers. In a time base, what will happen? Everyone will get the same wage. Because in time based, if you are using this system, that per day 1000 rupees will be paid to the worker. Okay, per day 1000 rupees is paid. So let us take an example of two workers, A and B. A is very skilled. He is producing 200 units. Okay, and B is producing only 150 units. Okay, so what will happen in time base? Both A and B will be paid 1000 rupees only per day. Okay, so this is a time base. But if we will take piece rate, what will happen? Because in piece rate, Wage will be based on the merit, no output production. So here we can tell rupees 10 per unit. Okay. So what will happen? Suppose if A is producing 200 units per day and B is producing 150 units. So now here A will be rewarded for his efficiency, effectiveness. Okay. 200 into 10, he will get 2000 rupees and B will get 1500, 10 into 150. So this is the difference, you can say, between the time based and the piece rate. Okay. So here in piece rate, the wage is based on the performance, merit of the employee worker. And in time based, it is fixed based on the time period, per day, per hour, per week, per month, etc. But in piece rate, it is based on per unit or output. Now there are other set of methods which are known as premium bonus method. Okay, here different persons have given different formulas for calculating the wages. Okay, so this is a formula based part. Okay, premium bonus method. So we will see one by one what are the different formula based, that is premium bonus based methods. Okay, first is the Halsey premium plan. First is the Halsey premium plan. First we have seen the time base, which is a simple method, number of hours worked, etc., into the rate. And one is the output based method or piece rate method. It will depend upon the number of units. Okay, so now another method we can say is the premium bonus method. In premium bonus method, there are different formulas given by different person. Like first is Halsey premium plan. Then second we are having is the Rowan plan, Rowan premium plan. So all these are formula based. We will see one by one what is the different premium bonus methods. So let us first start with the Halsey premium plan. So first let us read the formula. In Halsey premium plan, how wages is determined, let us understand. See, wages equal to time taken into time rate. Okay, so you have to see how much time is taken and what is the rate for that time. Okay, plus 50% of time saved into time rate. Suppose let us take with an example how wage will be calculated in Halsey premium plan. Let us take it a practical example for this. So read this illustration. Calculate the earning of a worker under Halsey system. Okay, here you have to calculate the how much amount will be paid to a worker under which system? Halsey system. Okay, so details are given. Say time rate per hour means worker will be paid 60 rupees per hour. Time allowed for a particular job is 8 hours. Okay, so time allowed by the company is 8 hours per day, you can say, and per hour you will get 60 rupees. So this is the data given, and here time taken by the employee is 6 hours and time saved is 2 hours. So how it we will calculate it, let us understand. So what we will do, we will first take the practical sum, then we will understand the concept of Halsey plan. That will be more easy. So see, here we have to calculate the earnings of the workers. Earning of a worker means wage of a worker, earning of a worker, using which method? Halsey method. Halsey method. Okay, and what is the formula for under Halsey method? We have seen formula under Halsey plan is wages is equal to time taken into time rate. So wage is equal to under Halsey plan is equal to time taken by the employee into time rate plus 50% of the time saved into time rate. See, what is the, we will see the question once again. Now, this is a detail given of a particular worker that he will get 60 rupees per hour. Okay, and company is allowing him 8 hours for a particular task. Okay, and what is time taken by that employee? It's only 6 hours. Means suppose you are given 8 hours for doing a particular task, but you have completed that task in 6 hours. So how many, how much hours you have saved? 2 hours you have saved, no? Okay, so you are saving 2 hours. So now company should compensate you, reward you for that saving. Company is saying you can do this work in 8 hours, but you have completed in 8 hours only, 6 hours only. So you are saving 2 hours, no? So now company should give some benefit to you because you have completed the work 2 hours before. Okay, so how we will calculate the wage? See, what is the formula under Halsey plan or Halsey method? Time taken. What is the time taken by the employee? Time taken is 6 hours. So time taken is 6 hours. Time taken 6 hours into what is the rate per hour that we have seen? It is 60 rupees, 60 per hour. So this way he will get as per the time rate method. Now, since he is saving 2 hours, he should get some benefit, no? So what the formula says, you take the 50% of time saved. So 50% into how much hour that worker is saving? 2 hours he is saving, no? Okay, into time rate. Time rate is rupees 60 per hour. Okay, so this much amount he will get as a wage. So see, 6 into 60 360 plus 50% into 2 hours, that is 1 hour into 60, he will get 60. So total amount which he will get is rupees 420. Understood? So Halsey plan says that time taken into time rate means that employee is taking 6 hours for doing that task, but company has allowed him 8 hours. Okay, but he is doing that task in 6 hours, so 2 hours he is saving. So for that you should compensate that employee, so we will take the 50% of saving and multiply it by time rate. So this part, if you will understand properly, it will be bonus. Understood? No, reward, because you are giving him 50% of time saved salary wage, and this will be normal salary, time taken into time rate. So this is the Halsey plan, which says that give him time taken into time rate. This will be his basic salary, and second part will be the reward or incentive. Check how much hours he is saving. Give 50% of that time rate. Understood? Halsey plan.